That's the ignition right now. Alright, I'll be back when I got some more taken off. Well, I got the back end all tore apart and disconnected the wires from the lighting and such. Took all the fenders off. Boy, the fender was in sad shape. So, I'm not reusing it anyway, so that's alright. So next we're going to start pulling hoses off of the motor, get the foot pegs and the brake and shifter off, and then we'll start disconnecting wires from the motor so that we can pull the motor out, which will be fun. Alright, see you in a bit. So I've got the the foot peg and shifter kickstand off on this side. I also took the carbs out. They're sitting up here right now. They are messy and are going to definitely need rebuilt. Already got the kits ordered, so they're going to get a bath in the sonic washer too. I got peg over here off and the brake off. The kickstart is actually stuck. It will not come off. So I think I'm going to have to take it out with that in there, but that's okay because the motor comes out this side anyway, so should be all right. But I have gotten to the point where I was disconnecting wires and I realized I'm going to have to go get some wire labels because not all of them have a place where I can write, you know, what it is on there. So I've been writing on the little plastic things, but now I've got some that I got to write on the other side, and you can't write on the bullet side, just the holder side. So anyway, we're gonna get some labels and then we'll get back here and disconnect the rest of the wires that I need to disconnect to take the motor out. Yeehaw. Progress, folks. It's slow, but it does happen. So here we go. I'm gonna try to pull that out. I decided to take it down off of the motorcycle stand because all this stuff was in the way of getting it out of there, so I just put the kickstand back on, leaned it over, and everything's unbolted, everything's disconnected, got the clutch cable, the tachometer cable off of it, all the wires are disconnected. So now I'm going to see if I can wrestle this heavy son of a gun out of here by myself. Boy, I wish I had a helper today. Should have called Hunter. Oh well. Oh yeah, definitely going to need help. Well, I suppose we could lay it down. And drain the oil too. I suppose we could lay it down. Really didn't want to do that. Not with both the tire and the front end on. Well, what am I hanging up on? Come on. There we go. Now we're getting somewheres. Yeah, of course. Well, I think I'm going to use my other jack to lift it up a little bit, make it a little easier to pull out of there. So, give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, so this is just a regular floor jack. Almost. There it is. Would have been a lot easier if this thing still had a center stand. Okay. Yep, that's a heavy son of a gun. And there we go. Whew. Onward and forward. Well, I think that's it for today. We are down to a bare, non-rolling frame. And I need to do some tidying up here in the shop and get things picked up. And then I'll hit it again tomorrow. Here's my front tire. And tomorrow, I don't even know what I'm going to do next yet. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this short little, I'm assuming it's going to be a short little video. I haven't edited yet, so I'll try to keep it fairly short. And hopefully these are going to be like every day, every evening I'll go edit what I shoot during the day, and I'll be releasing some more videos than I have been in the last 3 months or so. Sorry, took a bit of a break. So anyway, guys, have a good one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.